Majestic, dominating, with the sea in its sights. The Citadella of the island of Gozo in Malta has had many uses over the centuries: defensive, religious, administrative. The Phoenicians and the Romans, among others, passed through here. And although it had been abandoned for many years, it's now been restored thanks to a European project.
We restored most of the facades, the historical buildings within the citadel. We also took away all the services which were in a way very intrusive. Piazzas and streets were recreated and repaved, making them more accessible.
Also known as Castello, the Citadella houses several churches within it, such as the 17th century Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption. The rehabilitation of this bastion, which the Gozitans used as a refuge from invaders, has uncovered secret passages and many other hidden treasures.
During the excavation, we started finding the old entrance to the citadel. We had to excavate it slowly, so that we don't damage the fabric that we found. It is still intact, it's being showcased now, and you can pass on top of it. We also found Bronze Age pits.
The restoration was carried out between March 2014 and June 2016. Maintenance work on the Citadella, the winner of the first Regio Stars 2022 prize for the Best European Project, is still ongoing. The final budget is €14.8 million, 85% of which has been covered by the European cohesion policy and the remaining 15% by Malta. Every year, nearly 1 million visitors flock to discover its cultural heritage and beauty. One of the main points of interest of this restoration is the visitor centre, which under British rule housed 2 water reservoirs.
We learnt that France was involved in Gozo's history, the Ottomans too. You learn all about its history by reading the panels, but above all by visiting the museum, which is full of interesting things. When you come out of there, you have a feeling of being a well of culture.
The Citadella is not Gozo's only jewel. This promontory, populated by endemic plants and animals, is situated in a Natura 2000 area.